Hi guys, welcome back. In this lesson, we will be creating the Django admin user. So Django has an administrative portal that allows us to connect to our database and then test and see if we can retrieve the data that has been stored in our database. So it's a good tool to use to test and see if you can make a connection to your database. So firstly, we need to create the user so that we can log into the admin console. So to do that, we are going to run the following command: Python manage.py create superuser. Okay, and the username will be the same username as the username for our database. So we want to keep the same username and password. So it's waterwatch. And then just press enter to skip the email and then enter the password. The password would just be Postgres. And then type it in again. Okay, so we can see the super user has been created successfully. So now let's test and see if we can log into the Django administration portal. So let's run the server. Okay, now let's open up the URL link where our server is running at. Okay, so now over here we are going to add a /admin for the admin portal. So now let's type in our username that we have created, and then the password we said was Postgres. Okay, so let's go to users to verify that our user has been created. So as you can see, we have created our user successfully, which is waterwatch. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.